Just after us, we can do it. Just 1 minute.
Sorry? He wants to ask you a question. I told him to ask me a question.
Yeah, no problem. After us, okay, after here.
We're at the dinner. I was there.
Yeah.
We just want to thank you, all my brothers. I'm part of Jada Association too, Ms. Bonnie, but I really am thankful for these brothers for their support. These are my two partners, my two arms, and you always see us here. We this is the only event we can sit down today. So especially some thanks to Mr. Baljeet, Mirza Saab, Major Saab, and Fasih Bhai, Kasser Bhai, all other friends, some of I know, Fyaaz Bhai, there are a lot of old friends, mostly from Saga. I just want to say there is no comparison of the cities, like we should look at the school ratio to rating to. Mississauga is still the best. I lived in Brampton, I lived in Toronto, I lived in Milton. I moved back to Mississauga just because of my kids. Well, there are something to do a lot, that's different, but I think should do it to bring more. I know you guys are already doing it, all the mayors should do it, bring all the communities together. There should be some other forces. I know there are a lot of platforms, but at the city level, there should be some platform where you should arrange these kind of meetings to bring all ethnic communities together to know each other. It's good for our kids. It's not for us maybe, it's good for our kids. That's all we need to know. So rest of, we want to thank you again. You are our mayor and you will be future mayor. And we have a little present for you. I brought it from Pakistan. It's 1914. Some Bible saying and famous saying. It's a little antique. I thought you might like it. So just the pocket size. Again, everyone, thank you very much. And we will definitely have it. Everybody have questions too, but she is, I think, running out of time. So we have to regard that. But that young guy will definitely do the question.
I asked him to think of the questions, so please.
Okay, please.